What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? What is going on? Ontarian Hawkins here, passive income guru, passive profits. Passive profits. Who's ready to fire their boss in 2020? Guys, we just had a dynamic training. We just got off of it probably about 10 minutes ago, and it was amazing. We had a lot of people learn a lot. We broke down some parameters. We broke down some strategies, some psychology on how to promote. And I tell you what, we are moving in light speed direction. A lot of people are having a lot of success with us. So I'm going to show you proof of that, because if you're looking to join a legitimate home-based business or opportunity, then you definitely want to give passive profits your complete attention. And I'm not saying that just to say that. I'm going to show you why you should be giving us your attention. Okay. There's a lot of programs out there, a lot of programs popping up everywhere, high ticket programs. There's, a lot of the same stuff. Okay. Just to be honest with you guys, I've been there. A lot of the same information, just packaged differently. If you're looking for something legit, something simple, something duplicatable, something that you can have your kids do, it's that simple, then this is where it's happening. So let me just show you, because I can talk to you all day long, but if I don't show you that it's working, not just for the company, but for other people, then everything I'm saying to you is gibberish. So check it out. Check it out. Let me turn this off here. All right. So we're on my Facebook. This is me. You see me and my wife right here. I'm just going to scroll down because I've been posting. I've been posting testimonials like every day. So 3 hours ago, Mary Beth, she made another $250 with us. Mary Beth has made thousands of dollars with us so far. I don't know how much she's made, but she's made quite a bit. Okay. Congratulations to Mary Beth. And this really gets me excited today, ladies and gentlemen. My wife, my wife made her first $1,000 today with us. Now, she did the work. Okay. Let me just kind of clear that up. She actually did the work. And she made $1,000 today. She texted me and said, "Hey, I just made $1,000." I said, "What?" That's amazing. That's amazing. When you can bring the family into this thing, into passive profits, you can bring your whole family in this thing, guys. You see what I'm saying? We're talking about building generational wealth here. So congratulations to my wifey. Let's keep scrolling down. All right, this is a very special one as well. Very, very special one. Mr. Will Brooks, who's not on Facebook like all of us, he didn't even know it was coming. So Will made his first $150 yesterday with us. I don't know what he was doing, but he was excited when he got the text message. And actually, this particular sale, ladies and gentlemen, came from a postcard. Let me say that one more time, because people will be wondering, does the postcards really work if you mail them out? Absolutely. This sale came from a postcard. You heard me right. And guess what? Mr. Will Brooks didn't do a thing. We closed the sale for him. Congratulations, Mr. Will Brooks. All right, let me keep scrolling down, guys. Documentation beats conversation all day long. You show me other programs that's duplicating like this. Show me other programs that's duplicating like this where other people, I'm talking about average folks, not your super duper marketers out there that's already making it happen every day. I'm talking about average people you don't hear about. Show me them doing that. It's not out there, guys. Kahia, she just joined us not too long ago. She had her first $500 day yesterday at this time. Congratulations, Kahia, from Hawaii. All the way from Hawaii. Congratulations. More to come. More to come. That's another one. I can go all day long, guys. Sally made $2,000 with us yesterday. Congratulations to Sally. She's on fire. Let me keep going. You guys want some more? Documentation beats conversation any time of the day. My man Randall Jenkins made his first $50 yesterday, actually on March the 3rd, with Passive Profits. Congratulations to Mr. Sam Randall. That's my man right there. All right. Let's keep going. We got people joining us all the time. Tiffany joined us yesterday. When was she joining us? March the 2nd at the heavyweight level. Welcome to the team, Tiffany. You guys can call that number. Call that number and use Tiffany's ID number. All right. We want to help people out here. That's what we do. There's me and my beautiful wifey. Yes, she's so beautiful. That's my baby there. All right, congrats to Christina. Now, this is a very special sale as well. Check this out. Check this out. Christina Waller, she made her first $500 on March the 1st with us. Guess where she was when she made this? She was out on a date with her husband. Wow. We did all the work for her. Ain't that something? We closed the sale. She was ecstatic. What? You did what? That's what we call passive income, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we do here at Passive Profits. Show me another program that's doing that for you. None. Okay? This is the place to be. Ed Banks is another person that's killing it with Passive Profits. He made another $50 on March the 1st. He's made several of these, guys. Congratulations to Ed Banks. He's killing it. Sonia, I can't even say her last name. Sonia, she's not on Facebook like that either. And she's not a big marketer either. Made her first $250 with Passive Profits on March the 1st. Guys, I can go all day long. We had Joyce Mays that joined us on March the 1st. Congratulations, Joyce, for joining us. Let me show you one more, guys. I can go all day long here. This is a very special one as well. Congrats to Tony Torres, who just made his first $2,000, ladies and gentlemen, within 24 hours. Did you hear what I just said? We closed the sale for him for $2,000 within his first 24 hours. How insane is that? Okay. So guys, if you're looking for again, I got a ton of more. They all down my timeline. I don't have time to go through all of them. Okay. Documentation beats conversation all day long. Okay. So guys, this is the place to be. I'm telling you right now. This is the place to be. So call 1-800-474-1375. You've been looking for something legit. You've been looking for something that you can trust. Okay? This is the place to be. Okay? And I'm not saying that because I'm the co-owner. I'm saying that because I just showed you several, not just one, several people who are having major success with us. Okay? Major. And guess what? We're just getting started. We're only a month and some days into this thing. It's going to get even better. We're almost at 400 people, over $100,000 in sales in a month. That's insane. That means duplication is at its best. Okay? And this is something I've been wanting to create for a long time. I wanted to create something where average working people who had a motivation or inspiration to start a business could do it without the hassle of trying to be a internet marketing superstar. You don't have to be that here. Just be yourself. Okay? Just be yourself. Okay? So guys, thanks for watching. God bless. Call the number. Okay, 1-800-474-1375. Get started today. You won't be sorry. All right, this video is going to go on YouTube as well. The link to check everything out is going to be below the YouTube video. You guys got any questions? If you got questions, call that number. Okay. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your night. God bless. Talk to y'all soon. Peace.